Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Who emerged as the winner of the FIDE World Cup 2025 title, securing one of the most prestigious honors in international chess? Right answer is option C, Javokit Sindaro. Which football club was crowned champion of the 125th IFA Shield tournament held in 2025? Right answer is option C, Mohan Bagan Supergiant. Which country recently became the 181st member of the International Atomic Energy Agency, marking its entry into the global nuclear governance body? Right answer is option D, Maldives. The 8th Assembly of the International Solar Alliance was organized in which venue and city? Right answer is option B, Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. As per the Climate Change Performance Index 2026, what rank has India secured globally among evaluated nations? Right answer is option B, 23rd rank. How many total medals were secured by India at the World Para Athletics Championships 2025? Right answer is option C, 22 medals. In December 2025, who made history by becoming the first woman president of the Press Club of India? Right answer is option C, Sangeeta Barua Pisharoti. The sixth edition of the Global FinTech Fest 2025 was hosted in which city of India? Right answer is option A, Mumbai. The 12th edition of the India International Science Festival was organized in December 2025 in which of the following cities? Right answer is option C, Panchkula. Who authored the book Ready, Relevant and Resurgent 2, Shaping a Future Ready Force, released in October 2025? Right answer is option C, General Anil Chauhan. India recently signed the Reciprocal Exchange of Logistics Support Agreement with which country to enhance defense cooperation? Right answer is option D, Russia. India signed an agreement with which country to co produce the Hammer air to ground precision guided weapon system? Right answer is option D, France. In the Women, Peace and Security Index 2025-26, what rank did India secure among 181 countries worldwide? Right answer is option C, 131st rank. Where was the world's tallest statue of Lord Rama inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Right answer is option C, South Goa. The Indian Army's Idea and Innovation Competition Inno Yodha 2025 was conducted in which city? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Which was the first indigenously built anti submarine warfare ship inducted into the Indian Navy in June 2025? Right answer is option A, INS Arnala. Who clinched the men's singles title at the Guwahati Masters 2025, showcasing exceptional performance in the tournament? Right answer is option D, Sanskar Saraswat. Who is the author of the 2025 novel titled The Emperor of Gladness? Right answer is option C, Ocean Wong. What new name has been officially given to the Prime Minister's office? Right answer is option C, Seva Tirth. Which Indian state was listed as one of the go to global destinations for 2025 by the Wall Street Journal? Right answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. who was appointed as the new Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force on January 19th, 2025. Right option is B. Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Samia Suluhu Hassan became the president of which country in November 2025? Right answer is option D. Tanzania. Which nation became the first South Asian country to join the United Nations Water Convention? Right answer is option C. Bangladesh. Who received the Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award 2025? Right answer is option B. Dr. Sai Gautam Gopalakrishnan. In which lake were the Khelo India Water Sports 2025 held for the first time? Right answer is option A. Dal Lake. Who became India's first para athlete to be selected for an able bodied national archery team? Right answer is option B. Sheetal Devi. Who was honored with the Youth Icon Award at the inaugural Ramoji Excellence Awards held in November 2025? Right answer is option B. Shrikant Bolla. Which Indian personality was the only Indian featured in the Time 100 Creators List 2025? Right answer is option C. Prajakta Kohli. Who has taken charge as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force? Right answer is option A. Sonali Mishra. Which organization signed an MOU with IIT Manipur to promote drone technology? Right answer is option D. Assam Rifles. Which city has now become India's leopard capital by surpassing Mumbai? Right answer is option A. Bengaluru. According to the Brand Finance Football 50 Report 2025, which football club was ranked the world's most valuable? Right answer is option D. Real Madrid. Who was appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner of India in December 2025? Correct answer is option D. Rajkumar Goyal. Which city hosted the 11th International Day of Yoga celebrations in 2025? Right answer is option C. Vishakhapatnam. Which Indian state ranked first in the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option D. Odisha. Which organization developed India's first indigenously designed and manufactured software defined radio for the Indian Army? Right answer is option C. DRDO. Which nation became the world's first cashless country? Correct answer is option A. Sweden. Which country became the first in the world to impose a generational ban on smoking and vaping? Right answer is option A. Maldives. Who has recently been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? Right answer is option A. Parag Jain. India signed the Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement with which country on 24th July 2025? Correct answer is option C. United Kingdom. Who has been appointed as the 11th chairman of SEBI? Right answer is option C. Tuhin Kantapande. Ambaji marble, which received the GI tag in November 2025, belongs to which Indian state? Right answer is option C. Gujarat. Which protected area in Odisha was recently declared India's 107th national park? Correct answer is option D. Simlipal. The coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach 2 2025 was conducted in which states? Right answer is option A, Maharashtra and Goa. Who was honored with the 59th Gnanpith Award for his significant contribution to Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who was appointed as Punjab National Bank's first ever female brand ambassador in December 2025? Right answer is option C, Harmanpreet Kaur. Who was honored with the Ramsar Wetland Wise Use Award as the first Indian recipient? Correct answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Where was the Indian Conservation Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option C, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Which district became India's first fully solar powered district in May 2025? Right answer is option A, Diu. Which state government launched the Mukhyamantri Mahila Rojgar Yojana in September 2025? Right answer is option B, Bihar. Who won the 2025 Booker Prize for the novel Flesh? Right answer is option D, David Zale. The Anbu Karangal scheme to support orphan children was launched by which state government? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Which state hosted the Rising Global Summit 2025 focusing on investment and economic growth initiatives? Right answer is option B, Telangana. Who won the Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2025 for English language? Right answer is option C, Nitin Kushalappa. Who won the 74th Miss Universe 2025 title in September? Right answer is option B, Fatima Bosch. Which organization developed the Tejas light combat aircraft Mk-1A fighter jet? Right answer is option C, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Which word was declared the word of the year 2025 by the Cambridge Dictionary? Right answer is option B, parasocial. The BWF World Junior Mixed Team Championships 2025 was held in which city? Right answer is option D, Guwahati, Assam. Who has returned as the Chief Minister of Bihar for the 10th time in 2025? Right answer is option A, Nitish Kumar. Which country recently abolished the kafala system? Right answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Which state beaches Sonapur and Puri received the Blue Flag certification for the year 2025-26? Right answer is option D, Odisha. Which term was selected as the Oxford Dictionary Word of the Year 2025? Right answer is option B, rage bait. Which of the following wetlands were added to the Ramsar list of wetlands of international importance in December 2025? Right answer is option D, both A and B, Silisir Lake in Rajasthan and Kobra Jalashay in Chhattisgarh. The SPREE initiative launched in 2025 was introduced by which ministry? Right answer is option C, Ministry of Labour and Employment. Which Indian state has become the first state to be free from extreme poverty as officially announced in 2025? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Which red dragonfly species was rediscovered in the Western Ghats recently? Right answer is option A, Crocothemis erythrea. Which state or union territory hosted the 38th National Games in 2025? Right answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Where was the Akash Prime missile system test fired by the Indian Army in July 2025? Right answer is option C, Ladakh. Which Indian singer has been honored with the National Lata Mangeshkar Award for the year 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sonu Nigam. Which company was ranked as the world's most valuable company as of December 2025? Right answer is option D, Nvidia. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in October 2025? Correct answer is option A, Shirish Chandra Murmu. Who launched the Marine Fisheries Census 2025 in Kochi? Right answer is option C, George Kurian. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts of India in 2025? Right answer is option A, TCA Kalyani. Which state was selected as the partner state for the International Gita Mahotsav 2025? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. The United Nations Climate Change Conference will be hosted in which city? Right answer is option B, Belém, Brazil. Which country discovered iron oxide crystals in Chang'e 6 lunar samples? Right answer is option C, China. Who has been elected to the International Tennis Hall of Fame class of 2026? Right answer is option D, Roger Federer. Which tiger reserve became the second largest tiger reserve in India in August 2025 following expansion? Right answer is option D, Sundarbans Tiger Reserve. Which city hosted the World Food India 2025 event? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Who was named the official brand ambassador for the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option C, Rohit Sharma. Which football club won the prestigious Durand Cup in 2025? Right answer is option B, Northeast United FC. Who received the World Leader for Peace and Security Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. On January 27th, which state became the first in India to implement the Uniform Civil Code? Right option is A, Uttarakhand. Which Indian city was officially declared the country's first slum free city in October 2025? Right answer is option B, Chandigarh. Which organization has become the first Indian entity to receive the Ramon Magsaysay Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Foundation to Educate Girls. Which country has become the first in the world to receive UNESCO recognition for its national cuisine? Correct answer is option C, Italy. According to the Air Quality Life Index 2025 report, what is India's rank among the most polluted countries globally? Right answer is option B, second rank. Who was elected as the chair of the Badminton World Federation Athletes Commission for the 2026-29 term? Correct answer is option B, PV Sindhu. The Yaktan village of which Indian state has been announced as the country's first digital nomad village? Right answer is option C, Sikkim. Which country became the 19th member of the International Big Cat Alliance in December 2025? Right answer is option B, Russia. According to official projections, by which year does India aim to become the world's third largest economy? Right answer is option C, 2030. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India in 2025? Right answer is option A, CP Radhakrishnan. Which Indian state was formally declared the ginger capital of India by Niti Aayog? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Which Indian cities were added to the list of 31 wetland cities globally in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, both A and B, Udaipur and Indore. India signed an agreement with which neighboring country to establish its first cross border rail link? Right answer is option D, Bhutan. Who became the second Indian to travel into space in June 2025 after Rakesh Sharma? Right answer is option B, Subhanshu Shukla. Who became the world's first wheelchair user to travel to space in December 2025? Right answer is option B, Michaela Benthaus. Which country will join India in celebrating the year 2026 as the year of culture, tourism, and artificial intelligence? Right answer is option B, Spain. After a gap of 33 years, which Indian state was officially redeclared a tiger state by the National Tiger Conservation Authority? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. Who has taken charge as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option A, Justice Suryakant. Which prestigious Indian institution developed the world's first AI lab assistant system known as ILA? Correct answer is option D, IIT Delhi. Which Indian city has been ranked as the cleanest city for the eighth consecutive time in 2025? Right answer is option B, Indore. Who was appointed as the head of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees in December 2025? Right answer is option B, Barham Saleh. Where was the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas held in January 2025? Right answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Where has India established the world's highest war memorial? Correct answer is option C, Galwan Valley, Ladakh. Which train has been designated as India's first ATM train? Right answer is option B, Panchvati Express. Who was elected as the president of the Atal Smriti Nyas Society in December 2025? Right answer is option C, M. Venkaya Naidu. Which state recorded the highest number of vultures as per the latest census? Right option is D, Madhya Pradesh. Who became the first woman officer to graduate from the Indian Military Academy? Right answer is option D, Sai Jadhav. Who received the FIFA Peace Prize during the 2026 FIFA World Cup draw ceremony? Right answer is option C, Donald Trump. Who was appointed as the new chairman of the Union Public Service Commission UPSC in May 2025? Right answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new Space Secretary and Chairman of ISRO? Right option is C, V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Right answer is option A, Ajay Seth. How many major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna awards were presented in the year 2025? Right answer is option C, 4. Which country hosted the G20 Summit 2025? Right answer is option B, South Africa. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.